Welcome back to Tech Story 2. This story is all about a chatbot in 4-star hotel. So let's get started. This huge case is all about how a 4-star hotel has used AI based intelligent chatbot to get 30% increase in their direct sale and build an exceptional customer experience. So let's get started. This story is all about a 4-star hotel and resort based out of India. They wanted to have an automated solution that can instantly solve the customer queries and the problems, even going beyond the business hours and available 24/7. They wanted to have improved the efficiency of their staffs, make the solution 24/7 available, and increase the direct sale without increasing the number of staffs in their company. And that's the reason they have selected and adopted the chatbot based solutions. So let's understand where all they have implemented their chatbot based use cases. So number one is the FAQ. A chatbot can instantly answer the customer query and engage them into better manner. So a quickly chatbot can be built up, configured and deployed leveraging the FAQ, knowledge based and frequently asked repetitive questions. And that's how this hotel has actually freed up their staff's bandwidth, and those bandwidth can be utilized in solving the complex problem. Number two is the lead qualification. A chatbot can quickly engage with the customer in instantly solving their problem and can collect their contact details. Further, the chatbot can leverage NLP, natural language processing, to understand the customer intent and quickly flag as a warm, cold or the hot lead. This is how the hotel has used to drive their entire sales mechanism. Number three, they have deployed for the sales closure. A chatbot can quickly solve the customer problem, understand the intent and engage the sales executive to quickly close the deal. Further, the chat conversation can be used on top of the analytics platform to understand and uncover the entire the actionable insights, and further these actionable insights can be used to re-engage with the customers and increase and close the sales deal. Number four is multilingual. So the multilingual chatbot can be built up and deployed to create an exceptional experience with the customer, and really this will give an aha moment when the chatbot will solve the problem into their native language. And this is how this hotel and resort has expanded their operation globally, even into the non-English language regions. Last but not the least, the human hands-off. So chatbot can easily hand it over the control to the human agents without losing the context and the conversation in case the agent is not able to solve the problem. This is how the live human agent can give a personal touch and personalization and solve the more complex problem of the customer. So these are the all 5 areas where this resort and hotel has deployed the chatbot into their function. So let's understand how this has helped him to achieve the results. So what happened? This hotel has deployed the chatbot on all their channels and the web, on the web pages. Instead of the calls, instead of the emails and waiting for the customers to respond to their emails, now chatbot used to transact and establish a conversation with the customer, close the deal and it has give a lot of benefit to this hotel and resort. So let's see the result. Just within 3 months, 175k messages is being handled by this chatbot. Really awesome conversation. And hopping, interestingly, 84% of the customers shared their contact with the chatbot, and interestingly, this helped this hotel and resort to increase their sales 3x just within 3 months of the time. Isn't not something exciting and awesome for the hotel or travel industry to deploy chatbot on their websites and increase the sales? Absolutely yes. The answer is yes. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Madan Upadhyay signing out until we don't meet again tomorrow. Meanwhile, in case you like or you feel, subscribe to my channel and comment on this one. Hope to see you